Okay, then you take this
Take this.
conventional cutting device. And see where's the perforated line? You like that word, perforated? Like that, perforated? That's a senior level word. And you stab it right there where it starts. And if you just go up, you make the corner cuts. I'm sure there's a box cutter that would probably be more a little professional. Now, here's where it gets awesome. You ready?
Yep.
So where it perforated, it just bends and folds right in. Ta-ta-da-da. Custom made sized box. That is awesome.
Repurposed, recycled, right?
Absolutely.
Because what was the box originally?
Extra sharp cheddar bars from Coburn Farms. So yeah, used to hold cheese, now can hold all your lovely treasures. That is awesome. Smells like cheese. That is awesome. I like it.